Thank you. As mentioned earlier, I'm Duncan Leao. I'm an Air Resource Advisor. So I'll give you guys a little explanation of what I do on the fire and some of the products I can provide that will help you um, identify what's going on with the smoke and the air quality. So an Air Resource Advisor, I look at primarily smoke and air quality. So smoke, movement, and concentration as a result of the fire and fires in the vicinity of where you guys are at, and what that translates to in terms of air quality index. So as an air resource advisor, I provide services. I kind of boil it down to the 3 M's. So when a fire happens, air resource advisors are ordered up to look at deploying air quality sensors, which we call air quality monitors, and then we also provide modeling of the smoke, and then messaging products in which I'll share with you today. So we utilize a network of air quality monitors, which are sensors that are deployed around the community. Some are permanent, some use Purple Air, if anyone's ever heard of that. And that's all tied into where you guys can access information on the internet. Some really good sites that you can look at where this information is shared is, I didn't put it on the slide, but it's under fire.airnow.gov, or you can Google fire and smoke map, and you can navigate where you guys live from the website, and it'll show you what's going on currently for air quality, as well as this forecast that I provide. So the 3 M's, monitoring, messaging, and modeling. So the model that I use, it utilizes information that our incident meteorologists and our fire behavior analysts are using, looking at the weather patterns, looking at what's going on with the fire activity and the fuels that are burning. More fire on the ground, in many cases, leads to more smoke in the area. So the forecast that you guys can access under fire.airnow.gov, it's a smoke outlook that's produced every day. And within that smoke outlook, we have all the adjacent fires identified. The yellow and green dots that you see, those are the communities and the air quality monitoring stations that we're using. And so what we're showing here for today on this, for example, expected mostly moderate air quality in the vicinity of the Willamette National Forest. Specifically on the website, you can click on the tab associated with McKinsey. And that breaks it down even further. For example, if you would like to know, what time's a better time of day to go out, to do your errands, to do your exercise, whatever, the model that I use predicts, what time of day the smoke might be best. So for today, at the top, with the incoming weather pattern that we're most likely going to see here, the smoke that's been lingering in the community here and the drainages where it collects, eventually it's going to move out, and we'll see cleaner air later in the day. So that's expected, and then all the way into tomorrow, probably some good air quality, and we're going to see change in the fire, change in the weather constantly in the next several days. So we will expect to see smoke continuing in the area, but at the very least in the next next day or so, it's going to be improved. And then at the bottom there, you can see what air quality index means. So it's a rolling 24-hour average of the particulate matter as it's related to air quality and health metrics that the EPA uses. And so also within there, if you guys are interested, some people are really interested in data. shows you the trend. So all the information that's collected at the monitoring station shows you the trend in air quality from as early as the 12th to this morning at 7 a.m. So you can see different spikes and movements. Later, you guys see it, you experience later in the evening, early morning, air quality tends to be a little poorer. And that concludes the information I have to share, and I'll